still Undersecretary sa DILG at ngayon po sa ARTA, nakita ko po yung importansya ng role ng local government in terms of implementing anti-red tape. Binanggit niyo po kanina, bakit may anti-red tape po sa ilalim pa rin. Baka siguro hindi pa natin ini-empower pa ng gusto ang mga local governments kasi siguro nakatutok pa sa national. Pero ngayon po, ang isa sa magiging solusyon para masukpong anti-red tape is to further capacitate and empower our local government. Kaya nga po, kami, hindi naman stick lang, kung narinig nyo kanina, puro enforcement. We also use carrot or we also give recognition to local governments who have complied with anti-red tape practices and our program. Lalo na yung EBOS, yung Business One-Stop Shop, para maiwasan ang red tape. Kasi yung karamihan ng red tape, when I was with DILG, karamihan nasa local government, impisa mo sa barangay. Mabilis mo ba nakukuha ang permit mo? At the same time, mga business permit sa bawat barangay, hanggang sa munisipyo, hanggang sa city, huwag mo naintindihan national, local government, ilan lang. That's what I think we are partnering with DILG with. Kaya lang po, maraming concern sa DILG. Kami nakatutok lang sa anti-red tape. And we have given awards already for local governments. And we, I think, would push for next year or more, for the next coming years, more local governments na mabigyan ng recognition. Yung iba po nahihirapan. Pero yung iba po, minsan nakakasuhan. But I think that is, we still are 6 years pa lang mo eh. 6 na taon pa lang po ang ARTA. And we are still pushing for more local government recognition. And I think that is the key. If you want to have more anti-red tape practices, we have to engage with the local governments as well. Kasi ang national naman po sumusunod eh. Pero yung local governments, kaya tulungan nyo po kami maikalat ito sa bawat barangay, sa bawat syudad. And I think I think ARTA has gone down, capacitating all local governments. Kaya naman po kasi problema ko sa atin, every 3 years, may eleksyon. Kaya napapalitan rin po ang mga municipal mayor, ang barangay. So, paulit-ulit rin ang pagpapaliwanag. At hindi naman po kami hihinto para doon.
Thank you. And by the way,